South Africa is mourning the loss of one of its most beloved comedic voices. Bongani Mgudlwa, affectionately known as Madluphuthu, has died, leaving behind a powerful legacy of laughter, authenticity, and cultural impact. Mgudlwa, best known for his breakout role in Madluphuthu film series that took the early 2000s by storm, passed away on Wednesday morning. The news of his death spread rapidly, with RIP Madluphuthu trending across social media platforms within hours. His son, Asanda Mgudlwa, confirmed the news in a heartfelt post and said, "Rest in peace, Dad. I love you and I will forever love you." Madiba Dlomo. This signature blend of raw humor and candid social commentary, Mgudlwa became a household name, resonating deeply with audiences across Mzansi. His portrayal of township life was unfiltered yet endearing, a mirror to everybody's struggles wrapped in contagious laughter. Through his work, Mgudlwa gave voice to the spirit and resilience of Kasi culture. Though his productions often operated on modest budgets, they struck gold in relatability. Madluphuthu films became cult classics, cementing his status as a pioneer of homegrown South African comedy. For many, he wasn't just a comic, he was a cultural figure who made everybody feel seen, heard, and most importantly, laughed at. Fans and industry peers flooded social media with tributes, remembering Gudra not just for his roles but for his role in their lives. One fan said he wasn't just an actor, he was a symbol of resilience and creativity. Madluphuthu made us laugh even when life gave us no reason to. In recent years, Mgudlwa expanded his creative reach. He featured in interviews, Isita, and ventured into music, supporting emerging talent. As a songwriter and mentor, his passion for storytelling never dimmed. It simply evolved. Bongani Mgudlwa's legacy is one of joy, grit, and bold honesty. He brought comic relief during some of the country's darkest days and showed that real stories, even told with a chuckle, can change hearts. As South Africa says goodbye to a legend, his work remains a reminder that even the simplest laughter can leave the deepest impact. May his soul rest in power. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for